Welcome to Applaud Tutorials. In this tutorial, we install the badge cabinet template and explore its contents. To install badge cabinet, head to the Templates section from Admin Home. Then use the search function. Select the template. The window provides a brief description, features, usage and contents. Using this template, you can recognise and promote good work by awarding badges for your employees to display on their profiles. When ready, select Install. Once installed, head to the Models section from Admin Home. Locate and select the badge model. Here you can see pre-configured properties to store data for your badges, including a file property for your badge and free text properties for title and description. The template also adds a person badge model, a model which links the recorded badge to a person. Skill is another model from this template, which contains a free text property to add a skill description. Now head to the Pages section, accessible from Admin Home. Select the Badges page. Here we have two actions, View Awarded and Add. Select Add and the badge page will open in a modal window. We uploaded badges we created using Adobe Creative Suite. You can view who you have awarded badges to by selecting View Awarded. This will open the Awarded Badges page. On this page, you can navigate back to badges by selecting Setup Badges, or award a badge to an employee by selecting Award New. Here we have awarded badges to several employees. Congratulations, you have successfully completed this tutorial. Learn more at Applaud Academy or check out our knowledge base at support.applaudsolutions.com.